Okay, I got the board on. It was not very easy to get on because I couldn't reach it with both hands. But I was able to just get in far enough to get some pressure on it and then screw it in left-handed. It's quite a ways in there. It's like almost 3 feet in there. But I can't get my lift any closer because we're right here. We got all this design work. 1B did come back, so I do have 1B that's locked out, but I'll let them in pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and prime them, and I'm going to do a little other priming, and then I'm going to come back up and let them out, and hopefully it'll be dark enough they aren't going to come after me and I can get down here. I can get down fast enough anyways. Okay. That'll be all for this year on this side. Getting late in the season. We still are building our ladder to fix this last spot. Over there. And we should have the ladder done pretty soon. Next couple days. Oh, we got 2 B's locked out now.